Hello everyone, my name is William, I'm 11 years old, and today I will talk about my my speaking technology. From 2010 to now, technology developed rapidly. Technology is a application application of scientific knowledge for practical purpose. Is include is include tools, machine, system, and method used to solve problem. Some advantage of technology are rapid solve problem and improve communication more. It's also convenient. It is so convenient, but it also has disadvantages such as lazy to thinking, uh, lazy to thinking, addition, games, internet game, and more. Technology has changed the way we live. Um, by artificial intelligence. It's called AI. It's called AI. It's help people solve the problem. Even it's had many apps like ChatGPT, Grow 3, and more. An invention of technology is smartphone. It's easy It's easy to internet access. It's had many social media such as Facebooks, TikToks, and more. But uh, uh, many people, maybe everyone has a smartphone. But each uh, pe- uh, but each people use the smartphone by different ways. People use for work, other use for entertainment, and more. It have our life made easy. Uh, People can chat with their friends, online shopping, and more. In the future, I think technology will occu- occupy occupy an indispensable part of our human world. Okay, and thank you for just listening.